Just lift your eyes to the morning sky, you'll see you're not alone. I've been down to the valley of pain, but I kept walking in the rain. Cause every tear, every scar I've known led me back to Zion home. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. Mama born a king, you were never torn, yeah. They may laugh, they may doubt you, but don't let their poison drown you. Remember what Mama said with grace. Child, you're blessed by the Ancient of Days. In your heart lives a sacred drum, beating loud saying better days come. No chain of sorrow can hold you still, not while your love is living within. Baba, Baba, Nishike Mkono. Lead me through the fire, help me stand. Run to the light, don't you fear the night. Jah will hold your hand till morning bright. Climb every hill, even when you're tired. Hope is the spark that sets your soul on fire. Run to the light, oh child of the storm. You were born a king, you were never torn, yeah. From the hills to the valley low, sacred herbs of Jah still grow. Oh, they call it illegal, but I call it wise. Medicine sent from the highest skies. Herbal vision should win up my mind. See the world so pure, so divine. No more chains of Me come from the root, me come from the fire. Drum beat on my blood, truth never tire. Mama Africa call me name from afar. Say child, remember who you are. Me no live for vanity, me no live for show. Me live for truth that the ancestors know. From the desert sand to the river Nile, the spirit of the roots man never go mild.
They try to twist the story, try to hide the face, but the spirit of the roots man still live on the place. No matter how Babylon system try, them can't stop Jah people rise high. Roots man vibration,
feeling on the ground.
drum and bass keep rolling round and round.
From Kingston town to Addis Ababa sound, Jah light never lost, it's always found.
Roots man vibration,
Rise up and stand.
all your culture in your hand. One love, one faith, one creation. Which one is roots man vibration?
Me see the youth them lost in a social maze, chasing shadow, forgetting the old ways. But me tell them no worry, come home again. The ancestors watching through the mountain rain. Every dreadlock, every drum beat cry, remember your root, don't let it die. Me see the vision clearing as I am breathe. Freedom grow like fruit on the tree.
Some say progress mean forgetting past, but without root no tree can last. So stand tall, my brothers and my sisters. The root at the start, not the end.
Mama Africa, me hear your song. Roots man never go wrong. From Ghana to Jam down land.
One Jah, one heart, one stand.
Lift your drum, beat it strong. Babylon fall, Jah kingdom come.
Hey, Jah, Jah, we still hold on.
Roots man vibrations, pick up the war.
Freedom voice echo for all.
No more chain, no more fear.
We bring the message loud and clear. Roots man vibration.
Light up the sky.
Jah spirit never die. Raise your flag, sing this song. Roots man heart forever strong. Drum still beating, fire still burning. Roots man stand tall, just still turning. Africa, my mama, feel your call. One world, one love, for all who care.
Night breeze blows soft on the ocean tide. You and I walking slow, side by side. Your hand in mine, heart beating true. Every little star in the sky shine for you. Girl, your laughter sweeter than morning dew. When you smile, me whole world brand new. No diamonds, no gold, just the truth we share. In this life, love is the prayer.
No worry about tomorrow, no cry tonight. As long as you're here, everything feel right. Hold me close, let the world drift away. In your arms, me wanna stay.
Loving out the moonlight, under silver sky. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat and mine. Girl, me never know love so kind. Like a reggae song, sweet and divine.
Loving out the moonlight, slow wind and sway. Two souls dance until the break of day. No matter where this world Life is a journey, make we ride it slow. But love is the river, forever it flows.
Moonlight, shine by you and me tonight.
Love so right,
Love so bright. Moonlight, no matter what Babylon try, them can't kill the spirit of the lion. Africa rise, Jamaica rise, the whole world stand tall. I was born in a place where the rain don't stop, but hope still grow like a small treetop. System rough, but we still survive, cause we carry lion heart deep inside. Mama pray, moyo imara stay strong, even when the night feel too long. From Kingston town to Nairobi street, we drum the rhythm of a rebel heartbeat. Them build walls, we break them down. Them wear fake gold, we wear jack crown. No matter the pressure, no matter the fight, just sun still rise in the morning light. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum, fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land, hold your flame in your hand. From Kingston to Nigeria, we chant to Rufi Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Them steal we gold, them steal we name, but they can't steal the eternal flame. Hear the voices in the desert wind, Baba Yetu, let freedom begin. So I put my fist to the blazing sky and shout, Jah live, we never die. Even if the road is long and steep, the roots of truth run oh so deep. Who will fight for the youth them soul? We will fight till the final goal. Who will rise when the night get cold? We stand firm, we brave, we bold. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum, fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land, hold your flame in your hand. From Trenchtown, Wood, Nigeria, we chant to Rufi Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart, cause we walk with a lion heart. Hey. I say, one people, one destiny. Jah Rastafari. Since the day I saw your smile, time froze for just a little while. Didn't know love could feel so true, but every heartbeat calls for you. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you. Through the storm, through the blue, I will stand, I will stay with you till my final day. We don't need crowds, we don't need fame, just whisper softly my name. Let Down by the lane where the youth still play, echo of drum on the golden day. Me hear the rhythm of my mama's song. Hold your faith, son, stay strong. Smoke up the herb, rise up to the sky. Old man home while the children cry. Life so rough yet we carry on. Under the sunset of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Fire in the sky. Jah bless the people who never say goodbye. From pain to love we build our sound. Under the sunset in a Trench Town ground. Oh, hey. Oh, yeah. Sunset over Trench Town. Rhythm so sweet. Love and struggle where the heart still beat. No matter how Babylon come around, we still rise. Trench Town sound. Oh yeah, Trench Town. Oh, you see me brother strum the guitar tight, singing freedom tune deep in the night. My sister dance with the candle flame. Say one heart, one blood, one name. Every tear become a melody. Every fight write our history. From the ghetto come the crown. We kings and queens of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Light in the breeze. Sound of hope travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We free in the sunset of Trench Town. Together, from Kingston to Accra, one love conquer all. Drum beat up, the spirit respond. From the earth to sky beyond, me feel the ancestors sing around. Bless the sunset over Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Fire in the heart. Roots and love, that's where we start. Music heals, your love surround. Peace and pride in a Trench Town sound. Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 yo. Sunset over Trench Town. Oh, yeah. Star in the sky. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Sunset over Trench Town. Burning gold. Story of the people strong and bold. From the struggle to the crown, Jah light shine on Trench Town. Oh, yeah. Trench Town. Oh. Me walk again by the sandy street. Heartbeat echo with the drum beat. Children laugh, elders pray. Sunset bless another day. Trench Town, live forever. Oh. Tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight. fortune or fame. Still I whisper softly your name. Loving how the rub-a-dub rain, like reggae rhythm, sweet and plain. In your arms I will remain, forever in this rub-a-dub rain. Lightning flash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. No music playing, but we still want more. Kiss on your lips tastes like sugar cane, warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling, but me don't care, long as your fingers run through me here. Let the world run wild out there, we got love to share. Loving how the rub-a-dub rain,
You ease my soul, you heal the pain.
like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Loving how the rub-a-dub rain,
You ease my soul, you heal the pain.
like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Them say love is our weakness, but no, love is the strongest fire we know. Rain might fall, river might overflow, but when two hearts beat as one, love still grows.
Soft chant,
Rub-a-dub, rub-a-dub rain,
baby, don't let go. Rub-a-dub,
rub-a-dub, rub-a-dub rain.
love will overflow.
Loving how the rub-a-dub rain, from Kingston streets to London train. If the world should cause us pain, we'll rise again in rub-a-dub rain. Fall, love come, you and I stand tall. Rub-a-dub, rub-a-dub rain, rub-a-dub, rub-a-dub rain. Mama Africa twisting,
We coming home, yeah.
from Jamaica to Ghana,
From Haiti to Congo, yeah, yeah, yeah. Once we were kings with golden crowns, then they broke us, tore us down. But roots grow deep beneath the sand. You can't erase Jah master plan. Drums of freedom call our name, through every fire, every flame. From the ashes we still breathe. We are the children time can't defeat. So lift your voice to the morning sky. No more tears for the days gone by. Oceans apart but spirit near. Africa calling, do you hear? Africa we rise again, mama. Through the fire, through the pain. No chain can stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore, we are one forevermore. Africa, Africa, rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein. They stole our names, burnt our flag, made we walk with heavy back. But Yoruba blood, Swahili song, still alive, still beating strong. Hear the children chant, Hakuna Hofu.
No more fear.
Hear the elder whisper, Jah is here. From diaspora tears we climb, turning sorrow into holy rhyme. Oh, Uhuru, Uhuru,
Mama land, we coming home.
Amandla Awetu,
Power to the people.
Jah guide, Jah shield, we never alone.
Africa, we rise again.
Yeah, yeah.
Africa, we rise again.
Oh mama, yeah. Africa we rise again, through the fire, through the pain. No chain can stop this rain.
Kingston, from Cape Coast to London sound. We chant the same song, we beat the same drum. Different color but the blood run one. Them try divide we with border and line, but love no race, love is divine. So me lift my voice, me sing it clear. All nations come, the time is near. One world, one heartbeat, hear it in the drum. Jah love connect the people, we all want. No more war, no more hate. Let the love vibrate, let the world elevate. One world, one heartbeat, children of the sun. Unity rise, the battle done. Lift your hands, chant this song. One word, we belong. Me see the children hungry, crying out, while the leaders fight for clothes. But me know one day the walls will fall when the people hear Jacka. Africa smile, Caribbean sway. Spirit of love, guide we way. Me no care about skin or creed. Jah plant the same seed. Hey, every nation come together. We stronger now than ever. Hold the light, let the darkness fade. One love foundation lay. One world, one heartbeat, beating through every color, red, black, white, blue. Jah music heal the pain inside. One word, love we guide. Ubuntu, I am because we are one world family, near and far, Simone, yeah. Together we rise, Jah light shining. All we eyes from beat, they go from shore to shore. One world people, fight no more. Lift your heart, let your spirit free. One world, unity. Heartbeat rise again, love conquer mountain, conquer pain. From Trench Town Hills to Accra Street, we move to one heartbeat. One word, one heartbeat, Jah plan divine. Peace and justice in Jah time. Play the drum, sing this song. One word, where we all belong. Me feel the rhythm deep inside. Earth and heaven now collide. Jah love flow like ocean wide. One word, one heartbeat. We ride a bit. Mama Africa. Why you cry? Why you cry? Oh, She wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market calls. She fed the world with the golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Your light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food in sight, but we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Our drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, our spirit live, it will never decay. Rich men dine in the city lights, while your people shiver through the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young.
Still I see hope in the dancer's feet, yeah. Still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child carry her story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? Children hungry, no food in sight. Stand as one, stand as one. But we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Stand as one, stand and hold on tight. We'll make it right. Sip one cup of tea, life still rough, but me will hear the drum beat from the distance. Africa calling, even if me stumble, my spirit not falling. Youth them hustling in a cold city street, barefoot youths in a sand feel the same heartbeat. Babylon put pressure, but we no retreat, 'cause lion heart still a beat, beat, beat.
Mama said, child, keep love inside. Even when them push you to the darkest side, hold your prayer, let your soul confide. Jah never leave, Jah never hide.
Lion heart still beat, in a fire, in a rain. We rise again, although we feel the pain. From Trenton to Soweto plain, we chant, we sing, we break the chain. Lion heart still beat, no surrender, no fear. Just spirit whisper in every ear. Hold on strong, redemption near. We born for fight, we born for cheer. Sister selling fruits by the roadside stall. Brother carry stone, building hope from the fall. Politician talk, but them no answer the call. Still the poor man dreaming of better for all. Rasta youth read Psalms on that tree. Speak truth, bold love and unity. He say, freedom I must not luxury. And Africa flowing you and me. Hey mama Africa, we hear you calling ya. Oh Jaja, guide we soul, never let we fall. Up warriors, stand tall, stand tall. Love are the key, love conquer all.
Lion heart still beat, stronger than before. We spirit rich though we pocket poor. Spread the love from shore to shore. We not give up, we're all once more.
Lion heart still beat, let the world unite. Black, white, every nation in the light. Blow the trumpet, keep the fire bright. We destiny is freedom, right? Wind blowing through your hair, your laughter floating in the air. The world fades when I hold you near. Nothing but your heartbeat in my ear. Stay with me under the moonlight. Let the stars be our guide tonight. No rush, no fight, just you and me, wrapped in love and harmony. Hold me close, don't let go.
sunrise glow. Hear the birds them sing, feel the river flow. My spirit whisper, don't you fear. Jah light shine bright, it's always here. In the struggle, me find me peace. In the storm, me find release. Though the world so cold, me soul still warm. 'Cause Jah protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain high. Wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul. Give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them look within your heart, that's where Jah fire start. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth, the only plan. Jah create woman and man. Hold up your head, me brother, me sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you song. Stand tall, you've been strong too long. Light of Jah rising high in the sky. Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah, oh our King. Light of Jah rising, shine on the way. Lead us out of night into brighter day. Roots so deep, spirit strong. Jah love carry we along. Asante Jah,
Thank you, Lord.
me heart and soul restored. Umoja for life, peace we trod, guided by the hand of Jah God. I rise up now, oh children of light. Jah love make everything right. Africa drum beat the call. Light of Jah shining for all. Light of Jah rising, burn so bright. Fill the world with holy light. No hate, no war, no more pain. Only love shall reign again. A light of Jah rising, deep in the sound. Spirit of freedom all around. From Kingston streets to Zion shore, Jah light forevermore. Let Jah light guide your way. Every night, every day, every night, every day, me feel it deep, me heart no lie. Jah sun still shine across the sky. Hear the sirens in the street again. Another youth brought down by the system's chain. They say freedom is for everyone, but the poor man still can't see the sun. No more lies, no disguise. Open up your conscience eyes. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can be bought or sold.
a bread to eat. I raise my voice like a soldier's drum, cause the revolution time has come. Oppression must burn like the morning mist. Equal rights is the message in my fist. No chains can hold this rebel soul. We marching on till the story's told, yeah. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can't be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. Justice on the front line. From the mountain lion, Ubuntu, one love, no deny. Rise up people, open your eye. Hear the river crying down the valley low. Trees whisper secrets, only ancient spirits know. Mama earth is bleeding, she calling out in pain. But Babylon keep taking no shelter from the rain. Ubuntu, we are one, nobody no divide. Same blood in our veins, same ocean tide. From Kingston streets to Soweto sky, we stand as one, we never say die. Rise up for Mama Earth. Stop the burning, stop the earth. From Trenchtown roots to Nairobi sun, we are one people, we shall overcome. Rise up, hear the heartbeat drum. No more silence, time for overcome. Children barefoot in a desert sand, searching for water with empty hands. Still them smile, still them sing just song. Even when the nights feel cool and long. Jambo Rafiki, peace to the land. Hold my heart in your hand. We plant the seeds of love in us all. Watch it grow, despite the tide. Rise up for Mama Earth. Heal the land, give it worth. From Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, all are when people, when life beat them down. Yeah, Mama no cry. Lift your head up to the sky. Oh yeah. Jah protect we from the mountain to the sea.
If the earth die, we die too. So why we fight each other instead of holding hands and heal her? Mama Earth is not a place we own. It's a place we borrow from the children.
Rise up, Mama don't fade. Give her love like a newborn.
darkness, me see a light shining bright from Jah mountain night. Last night me pray for a better day. Now the morning come, me hear the children say, rise up mama, the sun is here. Time to wash away the pain and fear. From Kingston town to Cape Coast Bay, we chant together, one heart, one way. God bless the soul, we never stop fight. Even when Babylon block the light, from the ashes we rise again, like the morning dew on Zion plain. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. A new day, Jah people lion, yeah. Freedom flame still burning strong. We sing one love, one righteous song. Sunrise over Zion, no, let the river of peace still flow. No more war, no more cry. Only Jah love paint the sky. My granny tell me long ago, every seed of truth must grow. Though Babylon chain me hands and feet, them can't chain me soul so sweet. We walk through fire, we walk through rain, still we smile and call Jah name. Them build wall fi keep we low, but the spirit of Africa still glow. Children of the sun, lift up your eyes. No more tears, no more lies. We one blood, one nation strong. Jah melody carry we along. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. The light of Jah upon the lion, yeah. Righteous fire never die. Jah kingdom come, Jah people fly. Hey, sunrise over Zion, no, let the drums of freedom flow. We nah go bow, we nah go fall. Jah rise the weak, Jah humble the tall. Hey, oh mama Africa, can you hear we cry? We coming home, we coming home. From Kingston shore to Nairobi sky, we never alone, we never alone. Live your voice, live your soul. Zion fire make we whole all together. Hey, Jah bless the way. Morning light bring a brand new day. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. We rise again, no denying, yeah. Children of Jah sing loud and clear. Freedom time is finally here. Sunrise over Zion, no, hear the drum beat, feel the glow. From Africa land to island sand, Jah people united hand in hand. Hey, my brother rise. Sunshine heal your weary eyes. Zion calling, don't you fear. Jah love whisper, I'm right here. Sunrise, sunrise, over Zion, over Zion, over Zion. One heart, one soul, one Jah design. Hear the thunder roll across the plain. Voice of the ancestors call my name. Say, son of Zion, stand up tall. No matter how many times you fall. Me rise from dust, me wash me pain. With the fire of truth flow through my vein. The system try to break me down, but my spirit wear the lion crown. Rise of the lion, roar so loud. Break the chain, we stand so proud. No fear, no tear, Jah by my side. Rise of the lion, let love be the guide. Rise of the lion, strong and free. Roots of the people from sea to sea. Jah light shine, we can't divide. Rise of the lion, worldwide. Africa calling, I'm a dream last night. Come home, my child, time to unite.
Me feel the drum beat deep in a bone. Ancestors tell me you're never alone. They fight we with gun, they fight we with law, but they can't stop the truth me saw. Me chant down Babylon every dawn till righteousness reborn. Jah give me vision, Jah give me word. Lion roar, the whole world heard. Freedom song from Kingston sound. Rebel hearts all gather round. Rise of the lion, burn the lies. Open your heart, open your eyes. We are the people, never bow down. Rise of the lion, wear your crown. Wear your crown. Simone, yeah. Rise up, children of the sun. Ubuntu, Jah fire, keep the spirit bright. Drum talk, me hear it call. No man greater, we all stand tall. Roots so deep, can't tear down. Lion rise, reclaim the crown. Rise of the lion, roar again. Freedom flow in every vein. From Jamaica to motherland shore, love and justice evermore. Rise of the lion, Jah bless the sound. Truth and strength in every ground. We chant tonight till morning light. Lion rise in Jah's side. Ah, oh. Oh, lion roar.
For the children of Zion once more.
Oh, rise, oh, lion rise. Let your fire light up the skies. Whoa. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, she tell me love ain't easy, it's a battlefield. Me smile and say, still my heart won't yield. We're fighting not with gun or knife, but truth and love, it change the life. Me see our tears, me wipe them away. Tell our baby we'll rise someday. This love ain't soft, it's a rebel fire. Burn Babylon lies with your desire. Rebel of love, me fight with heart so pure. Stand tall in truth, me soul secure. No gun, no hate, just faith above me and you. The rebel of love, rebel of love. Burn through the night, love is our weapon, truth is our light. Hold me and we'll rise above forever. Rebel of love, in the ghetto we sing our plan. Whoa. Sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jaja see your tears, he hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, promise morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes life remains, and the sun will rise again. Trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if your heart feels faint, Jah never give you more than you can take. And the sun will rise again. After hurt, after strain, don't you let your spirit change. Jah light always remain. You may feel like giving up, you may feel like the world not care, but hear me now. A seed must go down in a darkness before it push to the light and bloom. So don't give up, your sunrise soon. Rise again, rise again, rise again. No chains, no pain can hold you down. Yes, the sun will rise again. Hear the drum, feel the chain break. Friend from Kingston town to Berlin lane, hope will always remain. Sun will rise again, don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, I promise, sun will rise again. Rise again. Oh, Jah light, shine bright tonight.
Wake up the morning sun, feel the breeze from me face. Mama praying in a silence, Jah guide them with grace. Road rough, but me trod with a heart full of fire. No chains for me spirit, only dreams getting higher. Me hear the drum from Africa calling me name. From Kingston to Lagos, we all feel the same. People crying, but still we sing through the pain. Cause the rain never stopped the sunlight from rain. Oh mama, don't you cry no more.
like stars in a night sky. Children barefoot on the red dirt ground, still laughing though hunger around. Africa me blood, Jamaica me song. We've been broken but we stay strong. Politicians chat but action slow. Still the youth them ready fi grow. Plant the seed of love, let the river flow. Teach the world what the elders know. Respond to the stars tonight. One love, make the people unite. No change can hold down a free soul life. Oh, Africa, calling back we to the roots, alright. Rise up in the morning sun. Drum a beat and the freedom come. From Trench Town straight to Cape Town slum. Unity are the anthem where we home. Rise up, holy fire high. No more tears in a mama eye. Star may blow, but the spirit fly. We were born to rise, never die. Rise up, Jah light a guide we step. Ooh, no fear, no fret, till the last sunset.
Africa, Jamaica, all the people unite. One love, one fire, oh Jah guide the way. Morning sun arise on the hill. Children cry but them keep still. Mama say tender way ma do good. My child don't fear, for Jah Jah blessings always near. We walk barefoot through the burning sand, but still we strong, still we stand. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, we sing Uhuru, freedom for Africa. No chain can hold the lion's heart. No storm can tear this love apart. From the drums to the heartbeat sound, we rise up when we hit the ground. Rise up my people. Jah light a blaze like a steeple. From Zion rain to the motherland, we hold the fire in our hand. Rise up, I and I together, through any storm, any weather. One love, one blood, one song, no matter how the journey long. Them tell we lies in a history book. Try to take we name, try to take we look, but the drum beat says Simba Moyo, heart of a lion. Ancestors whisper, keep treading on. Aborigine, they ask me so. Me answer, Umoja unity, let it flow. From Lagos streets to Trench Town lane, we chant down greed, we break the chain. Are you ready for the freedom song? Hey Baba, we are strong. Will you fight till Babylon fall? Yo, yes, we answer the call. Djembe, heartbeat, same sound. Ancient voices rise from the ground. No more war, no division, only love and Jah vision. Rise up, my people. Jah love is the heart
about the dreams we wanna pursue. Your laughter sweet like island breeze. Your touch calm me heart with ease. When life get rough, when the night's so long, you there beside me, keep me strong. You give me faith, you give me reason. Our love flow through every season. Roots of love growing deep inside. No storm can break, no tide divide. From the earth to the stars above, we hold on strong to the roots of love. Pure and true, every beat me heart belong to you. In this world so cold and rough, we find peace in the roots of love. Me no need diamond, me no need gold, just your warmth when the night get cold. You and me too, soul entwined. In a jar light we always shine. From Kingston town to the ocean blue, every love song remind me of you. Together we rise, together we fall. Still me love you through it all. Every little moment me cherish it so. Every little word make me spirit glow. No Babylon stress can tear this apart. God bless our love from the start. The roots of love, steady like a drum beat of me heart. Say you the one from the sunrise to the moon above. We live forever in the roots of love. Yeah. Hold me close, me darling, true. Love so strong, it carry we through. God bless this bond, God bless this way. Roots of love forever stay. Me no fear tomorrow when you dey here. Your voice me comfort, your soul me cheer. In the rhythm of life we groove. One heart, one spirit, one love. Love deep like a tree, stand firm through eternity. No matter the distance, no matter the pain, our roots of love remain. Bloom again and again in sunshine, in joy, in rain. Jah guide our heart from above, forever strong. Roots of love growing deep inside. No storm can break, no tide